Hello students, welcome to the new course on food safety and quality control. Food is the major determinant of health, nutritional status and productivity of the population. It is therefore essential that the food we consume is wholesome and safe. Unsafe food can lead to a large number of foodborne diseases. Food safety and quality control are not only important at household level but are critical in large scale food production and processing, and also where the food is freshly prepared and served. In the past, many foods were processed at home. Advancement in food processing and technology, then the large per capita income, increased purchasing power, and also the consumer demand which has increased for a variety of foods, processed foods, health foods and functional foods has increased the manufacture of these foods, and safety of such foods has to be assessed. Quality of foodstuffs, both raw and processed, is of public health concern and should be addressed. A number of factors are responsible for this. With the changing lifestyle and eating habits, more and more people are eating outside home. So, the food items may be prepared many hours before the consumption, and it may lead to spoilage if not properly stored. There are many processed and packaged foods. Safety of these foods should be addressed. Then quality of even raw foods and the processed foods, for the preparation of processed foods like spice mixture, should be assessed because it is of public concern. Then logistics governing the transport of food from the production to the consumption is also at risk. Thus, risk assessment and safety management during mass production and mass distribution is critical. It has become essential for every country to protect the safety and quality, and also to ensure that the imported foods are of good quality and fit to be consumed. All the food manufacturers are required to meet the given standards of quality and safety and need to have their products regularly tested. Food safety means assurance that food will not cause any harm to the customers. Food infection or food poisoning results from the ingestion of live pathogenic organisms and which multiply in the body and cause diseases. Toxins in the foods cannot be detected by the smell, appearance and taste of food. Therefore, the foods which smell and appear good need not be safe. Food safety and quality control becomes an emerging demand in the food industry and is of a universal concern. Therefore, maintaining food safety and quality is compelling requisite for the food entrepreneurs to sustain in today's competitive market. The quality of the product is one of the most important elements for every organization that offers goods or services. Therefore, the product quality needs to be sound and reliable, but at the same time at an affordable price. To meet this requirement, the company needs to develop and approve high standards of producing good quality products within the standardized process. So, this current course will touch upon all the points of food safety and quality control concerns at the production and consumption stages, and even at the individual level and household level helps to prevent food contamination and thereby promote a good health. Now, the overall objectives of the course are to learn about various food laws applicable for various foods, to know the applicability of the food laws, to learn about various food additives and food adulterants, to gain knowledge on food safety and various microorganisms responsible for food spoilage. At the end of the course, the learner will have a knowledge on various food laws and standards, food additives and adulterants, spoilage in foods and the microorganisms that are responsible for it. Therefore, this is such an important course, and we have to learn how the food safety and quality is maintained both at household level and the industrial level. Therefore, it is very important to admit into this course and learn about the quality standards and also the adulterants that are present in the food and how to detect the food quality and safety. Thank you.